Hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. In this little video I'm going to cover the controls in this area and what we've got going on in here. So that's this area. We'll start down here. That is the little lever you pull to release the flap on the passenger side to release the fuel cap, and that's just a pulley top and it'll flip the cover. Next one up, that's the bonnet release. Them two are self-explanatory. Then you're presented with 4 more controls here. This one here is for levelling the lights when you've got a load in the boot of the car, so you don't dazzle people coming the other way. You've got 5 positions for levelling the lights. This particular model is also fitted with automatic headlights, where they'll go from high beam to low beam. That is armed by pushing that button. The little LED will tell you the system's turned on. The button next to it is for turning the traction control on and off. That'll get you out of a sticky situation in snow and things like that, where the traction control can't get any grip and it'll just cut the power to the car. But if you disarm it, you can normally rock yourself out of a sticky situation. The next button to it is auto stop start button. Most people are just never going to touch that button, because when you come to a halt, like a set of traffic lights, the engine will automatically turn off, and as soon as you start getting anywhere near the throttle, the engine will turn back on, the car will drive away. I always turn that off as a habit when I get into the car. Personal preference again. Quickly, whilst we're in this area, we'll have a quick look at the door, because there's not many controls on the door. These are all self-explanatory. Driver's side window up and down. Passenger side window up and down. Joystick for adjusting the mirrors. Door handle, and you can lock the car from the inside with that button. That's everything in this area of the car. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing to the channel.